can blow this out to Russia. Let's try that. Again, whether it's virtue signaling or whatever, what do you think, do you think the world changed on that event, on a lot of the things that we're already talking about here?
Yeah, I actually do. I mean, look, assuming things kind of stay the course, I think this will be a really interesting period of time for sociologists to study in the future, because what happened within a very short period of time is that the West has thrown out basically 30 years of our economic and social playbook, which is basically nothing should get in the way of like Steve Schwartzman doing deals or the NBA selling shit. What we'll do is we'll make all kinds of moral compromises, but we're not going to actually, as Western countries, we're not going to do anything substantive that would improve the world potentially while pushing back or while curtailing the ability of our corporates to do business. And that really changed in a short period of time with Russia and Ukraine, where, look, the Europeans are obviously still buying, nat gas and oil from Russia, but they're bearing some pain. We're all bearing some pain. And a decision was made that, you know what, standing up for Ukraine and trying to get Russia out of Ukraine is the right thing. And we will bear some cost. We will bear some pain in order to do that. And that, I think that shocked Putin, that shocked China, that shocked just about everybody, that the West has been able to take this cohesive stand and based on morality. And so the interesting thing there is, but what are the implications for markets? I mean, assuming that we hold this principle that we're willing to do something that's long-term good, that's based on, real morality, but that is not helpful to business, that probably will have real implications for markets. And the first thing I think about is ESG investing. But what might be a little contrarian here is I think it'll be really bad for ESG investing, because what ESG investing is, as we know it, it's just, you said it, it's like virtue signaling. I call it the paper straw coming out of like my plastic drink cup with a plastic lid that just makes the drink taste shitty, and obviously doesn't stop me from throwing more plastic into the world. So that's what ESG investing has been. It's been just really in that vein of, we want substance over form. But if we want form over substance. But if we now want substance over form, that's a different ballgame.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there, subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.